Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, and in this video I will tell you how you can create this kind of section where you can add brand logos that are sliding. You will be able to add this section anywhere on your store. So let's see how we can create this kind of Shopify Images Marquee section for free without any app. I have already created that, but I can delete it so I can show you properly how you can add it. So I will click on save and I can go to website and click on refresh. Here you can see it is gone. I created this one product store in the previous video, so if you want to check out that, you can check out the previous video. So let's start this video. First of all, you will have to come to this article that I have provided in the description, and here you will find all of the code that I have already created for you. So you just need to add this code into your theme, and then you will be able to use the brand logo sliding section on your store. So you can just copy it by clicking on this, and then you can go to your store. I will log into the admin panel. So I will basically tell you the complete step on how you can add this store and how you can create this kind of section. Here we are in the dashboard, and now we will have to go to online store. You can add it to any theme. So currently I am using this theme. I will make a duplicate of it so that it will not affect my live theme. You can also follow the same steps. So once you are sure it's working all good on your store, then you can publish the new theme. If you face any difficulty in adding the code, or if you are facing any kind of issue, you can just contact me. My website link is provided in the description. You can WhatsApp me or you can fill out the contact form. So I will set up this code on your store for a small fee only, and I can also customize this code if you want. Here it is copying our theme, so we will have to wait. Here you can see that the theme is added, and now we can click on edit code. We just need to add this code and we don't have to do anything else, so there is nothing to worry about, and it will not affect your website. So here is the new Shopify code editor. I can zoom in a bit so you can see things clearly. Here you will have to go to these sections, and here you need to create a new file. Here I have already added that, but I can delete that so I can show you how you can add it again. So here was that, I can just delete it. So to add the file, you just need to go to sections over here, and here you need to click on this new file. So a new file will be created. You need to input the name. You can go to the article, and here is the name that you have to use, logo hyphen slider. And here for the new file, just enter the name, and then you will have to write dot liquid. So here is the name. I can just press enter, and the file will be created, and now we can add the code. So we can go and click on this copy to clipboard button. So here we can paste the code, and now we can click on save, and it's saved. This will create a new section in our theme, so we can add that section to the store. Now we can go back to the customizer. Here in our duplicated theme, we will have to click on customize. Here you can scroll to wherever you want to add this section. So for example, I want to add this above this FAQ section, so I will click on the plus button, and here you will have to search logo. So here is the thing, brand logo carousel. You can click on it, and here you will have to add the images now. So you can also change the settings over here that I will show you once we add the logos. Here is the section that is added, so we need to add the brand images. When we will zoom out a bit, we will see two sidebars, so we can edit this easily. We will click on this brand logo, and here we can add the brand logo image for the first brand, and then we have this link thing as well, so we can add the link to this specific image as well. So let's add the logo. Here I have some brand logos that I have downloaded as a sample. I will select the first one, click on add, and here it is added. Now similarly I will have to add more logos. I recommend you to add at least like 7 to 8 logos so that it will look perfect. So let me quickly add all of these logos. You can also add more logos over here, like by default there were 5, so we can add or remove more logos as well. Now we have added all of the logos, and now if we want to add the links to the logo, we can do that as well. So the images will be clickable. To change the design, we can just click on the section, and here we can make it full width. We can change the background color. So let's try a background color. And then we have the top and bottom spaces, so we can add some padding on top and bottom, just like this. And we can increase the font size for the heading. We can change the text for the heading as well, and we can add the bottom spacing beneath the heading. And then we have the logo height. So if you want to increase the size of the logo, you can do that. You can increase or decrease the width of the logos. So just change out the values and see what looks best for your logos. And then we have the animation speed. You can make it like 8, so it will be smoother. As higher the number, the slower it is, and the slower I think it looks more better. You can try any number that you want. Then we have the logo spacing. So if you want more spaces, you can increase that, and you can turn on this. So here you can see they are like scrolling, and when we will hover them, they will stop. So that's this feature. And if you want to add a shadow for each image, then you can add that as well. Some settings may just not show properly on the in this preview, so we can click on save, and we can view the preview of the store. Here we can scroll down, and here you can see there is some shadow beneath the logo, so you can add that if you want. And then you have the grayscale logo, so if you want to show them in grayscale just like this, then you can do that as well. And color on hover, so when we will hover them, then the color will be changed. Like I can show you, just refresh, and here you can see when we hover them, the color looks original one. Similarly, for the mobile, you can change settings as well, and you can see it's completely responsive on mobile as well. So let's click on save and view the final changes. So here you can see, and let's see the mobile version. Here you can see it's completely responsive on mobile as well. If you want to decrease the speed, you can do that, and if you want to increase the speed or size, width, anything, you can just do that. So that's how you can create this kind of section on your Shopify store. If you need any help, you can contact me, and I will provide the link for this code in the description, so you can just copy and create this kind of section for free. So once you are satisfied with it, you can click on publish, so it will replace your grant theme. And now whenever someone will visit your website, they will be able to see the updated design with the brand logos. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.